Self-sharpening chainsaw cutting test by Oregon. There is a button on the side and second right here. It will beep if your lock is not set up. Super cool, reminds you. Okay, cutting test. It's pretty dry wood. This kind of teeth, actually, as you can see, works really well. Everybody who is watching probably used to looking totally different teeth. These ones are kind of like, has the sharp edge on top, that's it. So yeah, very unique. Do you guys see that? Yeah, that's totally different because this is a self-sharpening chainsaw. There you go. And it cuts really fast. Look how big that tree is. Let's keep on going. Here's the better view. Let's see. It sits through it. I'm not even pushing it. Look how big that log is. Cuts through really well. This is 16 inches, so the log is about 12 inches or so. Pretty awesome. Let's just enjoy this. Couple more different views. Another view right here. This is a nice hard wood too. It's not a pine or anything. Maybe it is a pine, but still, it cuts it really fast. Let's just finish it off. Look how well it cuts. It's insane. And you know what? Anytime I feel like it's not cutting good, all I have to do is press this and just for a few seconds. Do you see those sparks? And it will sharpen it up. And let's see now the difference. Probably did dull out a little bit. See what happens now. Yeah, that's amazing. And again, if you want to sharpen it up, just press this and look at the sparks. So yeah, it doesn't take that much to sharpen it up. Just a few seconds. We probably overdid it. You're just wasting the chain if you hold it for too long. But yeah, that's amazing. That's the easiest way to sharpen up chainsaw, don't you guys think? Super cool. Look, it's still on 3. Battery is powerful. We chopped a lot of firewood, still a lot of battery left. So I would get multiple batteries, and this is the cheapest battery for AH. I think they'll go up to maybe 8. I know that there is 6 and 8. They're more expensive, so you can get multiple, one more powerful, lasts longer and cuts faster. Pretty awesome.